Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I'm in the kitchen. Pretty obvious. I'm starting my day out here today, videoing. Yesterday I made a video, nice video, cutting our remote open and everything like that, but I didn't realize that the camera was actually focused onto the top of the bench, and it photographed, it videoed some phone numbers and job bags and things like that. So it was a wash. I had to get rid of that one. Okay, this morning, what I wanted to show you was, okay, 2 slices of rye bread in the toaster, and probably too far away, eh? Okay, into the fridge. Alfalfa sprouts. I know, nice iceberg lettuce. And kettle fried chicken breast. Oh. We're gonna make ourselves a sandwich, and then head out to the studio. Lots of mayo. Okay, don't kill the toast. A little bit of butter. Lots of mayo. Oh yeah. Lots of mayo. Can you see that? Oh, lots of mayo. Okay, meat, lettuce, sprouts, a bit more mayo. Put that puppy together. Cut it in half. That's my breakfast. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, that was a great way to start out the morning. Cup of coffee. Oh, good morning, beautiful. Remember, your mommy doesn't live here. Clean up after yourself. Okay, takes a few minutes to make a mess, takes a few minutes to clean it up. No big deal, you're getting a meal out of it and a cup of coffee. Clean up after yourself. And I'll see you out in the studio. Morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. Fantastic day. Raining outside. I think it just let off a little bit now. So I had a sandwich. Come out here. I swear I had a cup of coffee. I'll be back. Okay, I found my cup of coffee. And there's a cookie there. Okay. Hazelnut. Hazelnut Cosmo. No. I got a little bag over here where the other cookies were, so I put that cookie down. Not like you don't want to put food down on your workshop floor here. I mean your workshop area here, because there's boric acid and all sorts of chemicals and acids and things like that. Okay, so we're gonna do just a quick solder this morning to kind of rock things, get things going. Maybe, yeah, there we go. Torch is going. This is one of my daily things, you know. You got to be at the workbench. This is boric acid and denatured alcohol and some. Make sure you don't put the brush back in. Hey, look, if the brush is back and you put it in there and it catches on fire, don't panic. Take it out. Put the lid on it. Okay. Easy for me to say. Don't panic. Don't spill the jar over onto the work area, because you'll be going for the fire extinguisher. Make sure there's a good fire extinguisher in your shop too, okay? So don't panic if it catches on fire. You know? No, I guess you don't know, because that's why you're watching me. If it catches on fire, don't panic. Okay, this is silver on silver. Oh, I'm shaking it a little bit this morning. Okay. This is Battern's flux. Put that there so you don't catch your place on fire. What a classic maneuver you are, Frank. What a Battern's, little dab of Battern's right there, and there, and there. Wow, that one's good, eh? Okay, so I might edit that out. Remember what I said, the Battern's flux will start to get liquid, appear liquid. you know, come on, sweetie. There we go. No, it's not. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay, you don't want to move them around once they've been set. Okay. Any more silver on here? Look at that. I didn't get enough silver. Oh my. Okay. Give it a few seconds. Copper tongs. Into the pickle. Pickle's been on for a while. Okay, did you see that I didn't panic? Do things catch on fire once in a while? Yeah. Is this any worse for wear? No. Make sure you have a jar that you could put a lid on. Okay? And don't spill that stuff all over the place. Okay, that was safety tip 201, I guess. Wear your dust mask when you're sanding and stuff like that. Did you call a buddy? I think that's going to be it for today's video. I think I'm going to do a 10-minute one to make with a sandwich and that, and this, and a cup of coffee, and maybe the rest of my cookie. You should enjoy going to your studio. One of these days I'm going to reach out for some help to get old Killer Skull going. KillerSkull.com. Somebody said to me that the word skeleton was in the top 100 searched words on the internet. A skeleton, you know, and skulls and things like that. So it really has, you'd be surprised how much skull stuff I've sold over the years. It has a real following. It really does. It's everybody, male, female, cats, dogs, children. Everybody's got a skull. Okay, you guys. I'm running out of content. I'm running out of material. I'm slowly losing my mind. Okay, call a pal. Make sure you reach out to somebody. Don't burn your studio down.